Peace, y'all. It's December 6th, right? Wednesday night. We're just about getting ready for church here in a couple hours. Get the kitty cart out in the driveway. I mean, that's sexy. I don't care what anyone says. Country go-kart out in the grass and rock drive. That's sexy. Okay, I told you I was going to bring you this this little escapade here, so I hope this camera gets it all. Already got the stand cranked up, but I got the cordless here. I'll show you. It'll go up. It goes down. What we do is we get it about close to the floor level, maybe a little bit higher. Okay, so right there. The cart, I usually have the cart held in. I've got some things bolted into the floor of the trailer using those threaded inserts for wood, because the floor is obviously made of wood. And so we don't have to get underneath the trailer to put a wrench on a nut or anything. We can just take these things on and off so we don't trip over them on the weekend when we're living in the trailer at the racetrack. So those kind of locate and corral the nose of the cart, and then the turnbuckle goes on the bumper onto a D-ring in the floor, and you can just tighten it by hand, and it holds the cart right in place. It's literally 2 seconds. We couldn't find the turnbuckle, me and Rich, when we loaded the carts up 2 Fridays ago. So we used really big fat, let me show you, a couple of these big super-sized jumbo super strong zip ties, and they held the cart right in place. So all I had to do was cut those loose, and here we go. We'll just one-man show, right? This is the heavy side, so we'll just pick her up here. Be careful of our back. Use the legs, Robert. Just set it down. Step over. And back again. Step over. We got the tires right on the edge there. And we'll just pull it right off. Just like that. And we'll take the old cordless. And it doesn't have enough. It don't have enough ass to lift the stand. It's okay. We got some vice grip type deals here. We'll just clamp these on. It's got a little 3/8 drive, hex drive on it, you know. Here we go. We'll just take the weight off it so it's up off the floor of the trailer, which it is now, but we'll go a little bit more. Now I'm just going to go pull the truck and trailer right out of the way. Watch this. And that, my friends, is how the one-man gang loads and unloads the go-kart by himself. We'll crank this bad boy up. Get it all the way up. Around. That's the nice thing about the composite floor tray, is it moves around relatively easy. Right now we can pull the whole cart stand in. But what we're going to do is transfer from the crank up stand onto the rolling cart stand that the kitty cart's on out here. That one back there, that's my rolling at the track workbench. I put the toolbox on it, fuel jug and tools and stuff, starter underneath. This one's a little lower. This is more of a cart stand. So you see it's about, we'll have to come up a little bit from this level onto the rolling stand, but I tell you, I can do it myself. I've done it many times. I'll bring you that after I get the sprint carts in the trailer. I got to measure and see if I have to take the steering wheels off or not. I think I have to get them underneath there. But I also got to go in the front of the trailer and remove these little nose mounts or location mounts that I made. These here. Got to take those out so we can get the carts all the way up in here. We got to get the scooter in here for the winter. Also the starter wagon and other stuff along. We got the new 2-cylinder cast iron pump for the other air compressor. We'll probably get the scooter and stuff back in there. We may haul this stuff out of here and work on it over the winter. The rest of it is kind of done. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff going. I'll bring you back once we get the cart on the stand and we get our garage and start getting our garage in shape. Godspeed, God bless. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Man, it's starting to look like home now, folks. Man, it's starting to look like the joint now, isn't it? Man, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Nothing feels like home than to lay down shifter cart in the garage. I'm telling you, I'm starting to feel it now. Getting in a holiday spirit, I guess. Okay, hang in there, y'all. It'll get better. Lord willing, it'll get better. God bless y'all.